Okay. Now, since Tony was a little bitch and didn't come up here, we've named this one Tony. Tony, this is you. Tony, where'd you go? I see feet. I see feet filled with Play-Doh.
Oh, damn. Oh, my God. Look, Tony, you leveled the trees. What is this?
Oh, my God.
Wow.
That was
Wow.
beautiful.
I don't know what happened to Tony.
Thanks for joining us, buddy.
Yeah, glad you were here to enjoy that one. All on a beautiful evening with the sunset and the water. Oh, we have access to that boat right there for water skiing. Oh yeah. Oh, and we're at a beach house.
Yeah.
For 4 days, and it would have been free.
Completely
Transportation
free.
included.
Room, board, transportation.
But no.
Meals.
No, instead we had to blow you up.
Yeah.
So,
Well.
have a happy 4th. See ya.
Bye.